In this video, I'll show you how to download and set up FWC 2026 mobile ticket app. For that, head over to your Play Store. FW stands for FIFA World Cup, guys. So FWC 2026, type that and tap on mobile tickets. Now this is the app we need to install. Tap on the app and tap on install and wait for the app to be installed. After your app is installed, tap on open. Now set up your account and you're good to go. Tap on login. It will lead you to an external website. Now what you need to do is sign in all your FIFA ID, or you can just sign in, or you can just continue with Google if you have Google account. It is all up to you. After your login is complete, it will redirect you to your original app. Now this is the app interface. Here you will see all of your tickets and upcoming match, past matches. Now tap on transaction, tap on my tickets to see your tickets, tap on more to find more information about the tickets and tickets submitted or reselections and completed. So in this way you can purchase your tickets or see your ticket date or when you are having the next match. You can also see the location where you're watching the match. All of the details related to your tickets will be shown in this app, so make sure to try it out. And if you want to see the match in the stadium, I recommend you to go by and watch the match live in the field. Now thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Then